going, guys? Thought we'd show you some of our equipment we use for filming. Yeah, but so if you want to have a look over here, so we just got the we've got two GoPro 9s. Andrea's filming with the other one now. This selfie stick is fantastic. Yeah, straight out into a selfie. You can open this up for it to stand it there and do other selfies as you're walking past. I find it a fantastic all-in-one stick. It's got all your controls, all your swivels and everything you need on there. Yeah, no, it's great. Not much probably to say about the GoPro. Everyone knows about GoPros. The 9 came out. We got rid of our 8s for the 9. Probably, I'd say it was a step up. The screen on the 9s are a bit touchy, a bit slow and whatever. They've brought a 10 out since and fixed all that. But anyway, we'll probably stick with the 9s. They're working a treat. Come in a nice case. So yeah, pretty happy with that. And then just a few accessories, obviously just for in the water. And this accessory we use all the time. We'll put it on the van, we'll put it on the car, we'll put it wherever, and it just holds. It's so good. Yeah, the other thing we got is this, for when we want to zoom right in, we've got this Sony Cybershot. It's a 50 times zoom camera, and it zooms in very well. I actually love it. But having it on you all the time is hard. You got to run back, or you got to carry it in backpacks or whatever. So what we've just done is we just bought ourselves a couple of new phones, and these are the S22 Samsung S22 Ultras. They've got a 100 times zoom. It's not 100 times zoom, but for a phone, the zoom is pretty awesome. We'll put some samples of how they zoom and all the rest in on this video a bit later. But so far, we're pleasantly pleased with these phones. They're excellent. Next, we're on to our drone. Comes in a nice bag. It's a Mavic Air 2S. It's just for charging. There's your drone. You got 3 batteries in here and another charging thing. And there's your controller. So your joysticks just pull out of here. You screw them in here, and job's done. Your phone. Now these phones are big, and they still fit in there easily. So yeah, we get says you get about, with no wind, you get about a 30-minute flight time. Realistically, because there's always some sort of wind, what we've found, you probably get about 20 minutes out of it with a full battery. We've got 3 batteries, so you know you don't. We don't for flight. I don't think we ever really fully flatten them, because we're sort of up, do our bit, it's down, move on, chuck another battery in, and do whatever else. There's the drone. So simple. Just pull your gimbal cover off. Then one's up first. Then open these up and hook her up, and away you go. One thing I do find about the drone is don't be scared of them. these drones are really good, and they're so easy to fly. I've had no experience with a drone ever before, and I mean, you'll always still make a mistake or hit a tree or do something. Accidents will just always happen, but they are very easy to fly. And this particular drone's got a lot more sensors than we had on our first drone we started with. So yeah, fingers crossed we don't crash it. The other thing about the phone, which is fantastic for the drone as well, because if you come and have a look out here, you're in full sun and you can't see a damn thing. Well, these S22s have got the brightest screens on the market. Look at that, we're in full sun. Full sun. Yeah, I couldn't even, in full sun in my old phone, I couldn't see a damn thing. So, makes it really good as well. So yeah, that's probably about it for our equipment. So, you know, for you guys out there that are just starting like us, I don't think you need much better than this.